everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week shout out goes to Rishika. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check out all my social media platforms, there are all the links. Tiny reminder for day after special Sunday video, I'm doing my first ever Q&A. So make sure in this comments itself you can drop down all your questions using the hashtag AskLS. So drop down any questions you have, and I'm also prepping for a huge giveaway. In fact, the products, I'm literally sorting them right is there. So yes, the giveaway is coming up in that video itself. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn your notifications on so that you can enter the giveaway first. Now, before we get any further with this video, I think you all should see these clips.
Flashback.
Basically, I just finished filming last week's Fashion Friday video and this is the aftermath of that. So this is where like my hair stuff and my equipment stuff was there, and the shoes and the accessories are just lying here. Now धीरे धीरे clothes निकालते the bed turned into this, and here I was keeping clothes, and ये area honestly neat है क्योंकि ये setup हो रहा था and I was keeping back stuff when I was taking it from those shelves. So needless to say, I need to clean this, and the worst part was that before filming this video, my wardrobe was very neat, very sorted, my room was so safe, and one video turned it around, and honestly I can't even sleep. Like, usually I keep all the mess on the piano and then I just sleep, and I tackle it the next day, but piano बेचारा दब जाएगा. So sweaters are in. I have left some space here for like more sweaters and sweaters that are outside in the wash or something. But this is what like my winter sweaters look like. So this is now my tees drawer. This is like my blouses and more shorts kind of a drawer.
End of flashback.
So yes, these clips I filmed like just a few weeks ago in fact, and I never put it out. The video I was planning to do was like a closet organization video, but I realized that now would be a better moment. Winters is pretty much gone, summers are pretty much here. I don't really like that, honestly. I'm more of a winter person, but now is the time when I think sorting out your wardrobe makes the most sense. Now for me, my wardrobe that I have it's not like a huge crazy ass wardrobe. At least for me, it's like a good decent size. So I basically need to organize all my summer clothes. Earlier all my winter jackets, my winter sweaters, as you saw, were like ahead in the video. Now it's time to organize my closet for the summer, and now I can actually share more tips and tricks on how you can organize your wardrobes for the summers, and especially if you have a smaller wardrobe. As I showed in the clips, my main method remains the same, that I take out all the clothes, make sure they're separated by categories, then go through each pile. So that's the basic process I follow, and today I think let's finish up this wardrobe organization that I started. So as you saw last, this has all my blouses. It's pretty much the same like all my bahar ke fancy tops. This has all the fancy t-shirts. This has all the ghar ki t-shirts, and honestly abhi काफी कुछ mixed up hai, but I won't bore you repeating these drawers. So कुछ और करते हैं. Let's start with this one. So this basically has all my jeans. And मैंने लेजी होके ऐसी उल्टी करके जीन रखी हुई है, बट ठीक है ना, when I want to wear it like मैं सीधी कर लूंगी उसे. It's so satisfying to have this neat bundle of jeans, and this perfectly fits in here. A lot of the space is empty right here, so I am just gonna place my denim shorts. And I also have this cute pair of shorts, so इसको भी. Now this drawer basically has all my night suits, summer night suits mainly. I think let's remove this velvet night suit that I have. Not gonna be needing this. So everything is pretty much good and folded. We just have to, I think, sort them. Okay, let's tackle this. So these are all the ghar ke t-shirts. Let's take them out. So here I've made the pile of all my skirts. I don't wear skirts a lot, I don't know why, but all of these are in pretty good condition, which is why I can't let go of them. This is literally the only formal shirt that I own, and this also is from my 9th grade. I did like 1 MUN, so this is from there. And this again is probably from the 6th or 5th grade, and I still have this. I have a lot of clothes just for those memories' sake. So these two like smaller tops, there are lots of gaps in between, and I know I'll not be needing these as often, so I'll just be placing them here. So ghar ki tops, skirts, jeans and shorts all fits in here. The casual tops, t-shirts, jeans, shorts, skirt section is all complete in these top drawers. Before we move on to the rest, these drawers again need folding, so I'm gonna set you up on a quick time lapse. Let's come to this drawer. This is the 3rd drawer on the left, and I've been dreading to open this one. Now this basically has my accessories. Now for example, winters ki thermal scarves, but I won't be needing them in the summer, so I'm planning to just take them out, put them outside, and then let's see where we can store them. And this is just a pain to sort. Okay, I'm tired, I'm just gonna take everything out. So scarves, I think I'm gonna let them be. These can be used for the summer as well. Okay, another thing that I've done here, I had this hat and I've kept all the belts in here ताकि अच्छे से space utilize हो जाए. And now let's be real. Even though I have some realistic tips, this is not like the perfect closet organization. So honestly, I'm just gonna throw in all of my socks here and I'll just pick them out from here whenever I need them. I am not gonna be like making bundles or anything. And here goes all of my masks and this sleeping mask as well. Okay, now let's come to this almirah. The last time you saw this, kept all my sweatshirts, hoodies down here in very nice piles. I had kept all of my jackets here in very nice piles. But then basically what I'm doing for the summer season, wait. So I made the same piles of my winter clothing, and instead of putting it in my almirah, I put it in this large suitcase. As this suitcase khali rahega, I won't be needing them for at least 6 months, and I'll get extra space in my closet. So since abhi pura khali ho gaya hai, I have a lot of space empty. I just have my Indian clothes at the back right now. Even this space is now comparatively empty. I've kept all my Indian clothes and need to organize all of this. It's all messed up, and this main shelf is back to being disorganized. How do wardrobes get this messy so fast? Actually the answer is कि उस time से अभी तक I've also traveled twice and taken lots of clothes with me, तो वो सब निकालने ढूंढने में like everything got mishmashed. But let's start. I think ये वाला अब पूरा I am going to dedicate to my Indian outfits. मैंने expect नहीं किया था, but this collection has grown. Okay, तो सबसे पीछे I think let's keep all the very heavy pieces I have. To some ethnic dresses here, and kurtas I'm gonna pile up here. Actually there's space which is so all of these are gonna be plain kurta with jeggings, which actually I wear most often. Okay, this space is looking much neater and it now has lots of space for any of my ethnic outfits. and it's now very easily accessible. Like this is why in these type of wardrobes you have to leave some space that you can at least see all of your clothes. Okay, now for this drawer, I'm going to be honest, all of these are clothes I've kept for memory's sake or just randomly. Like this is the last pile which I cannot get rid of, and it's okay. This is a very like comparatively a shorter shelf, so मुझे पीछे की space नहीं चाहिए, so it's actually fine. And now what I'm going to do here is place all of my bottoms. I tried a method of basically hanging all of my bottoms, but it just didn't work out. Honestly, nahi sense banaya tha hangers mein. It takes up too much space, and as you saw, it's not looking good. So now that I have all this extra space, I think I'm just going to lay 2 piles of all my bottoms. The final shelf, but the most annoying shelf. So comparatively, this space is way empty. It's a very long space. And I have just kept a blazer here and my belts here in this one hanger, and this leather jacket which I don't want to fold because it creases. I'm going to start from here. This is already a decent pile of all my maxi dresses, and let's try. And you know, if I actually remove these, then it's pretty good. We are all done. So I've kept lots of space here, and I think यहाँ पे tops ही fit आएंगे. So any new blouses I have, the blouse drawer is getting full, so I've left the space for that. Whereas this is all sorted. And to give you a last roundup, this is the first drawer of tops, this is of the blouses. So this is getting full, so some of these I think will go in the closet. This is the jeans, shorts, ghar ki t-shirts and skirts. Okay, this is pretty messy, let's ignore this. Then this is the pajama drawer. And we're all done. I hope some of you got some tips to organize smaller wardrobes, and if you have this kind of a setup, then how you can maximize this space. Super excited for the upcoming fashion summer content because all the wardrobe is now sorted. I can see all my clothes. And yes, I think I'll end this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other questions, any ideas, any feedback, any video suggestions, please drop them down in the comments box. And I shall see you on Sunday. Don't miss Sunday's video with a very special Sunday video.